Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned player looking to upgrade, finding the right digital piano in 2026 can feel overwhelming. Too many options, too much jargon, and way too easy to overspend or underspend. I've narrowed it down to 5 that are genuinely worth your money. Let's break them down. New here? Welcome to Unbox Daily, where we unbox, test, and tell you exactly what's worth your money. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a video. We drop fresh picks every single week, and trust me, you'll want to stick around. Let's start with Yamaha's 88-key weighted portable digital piano. And right away, the word weighted is doing a lot of heavy lifting here. Yamaha's graded hammer. Standard action gives you a heavier feel in the lower keys and lighter in the upper register, mimicking the natural response of an acoustic piano. That's not a gimmick, it fundamentally changes how you develop your technique. The built-in AWM stereo sampling engine delivers rich, authentic piano tones sourced from Yamaha's own concert grands. With 10 voice options, built-in lessons, and a headphone jack for silent practice, this piano covers everything a learner, and even an intermediate player, could need. It's portable enough to move between rooms, but substantial enough to feel like a real instrument. Yamaha's build quality is legendary, and this piano reflects that at every level. If you're serious about learning piano properly, this is the one to start with. Yamaha's reputation speaks for itself, and the pricing on this one makes it genuinely hard to walk away from. Check the description for today's deal and grab it before the price shifts. You won't regret starting here. The Yamaha P-71 is one of the best kept secrets in digital pianos, and in 2026, it remains one of the strongest value propositions on the entire market. This is an Amazon exclusive variant of Yamaha's iconic P45, and it delivers the same core experience at a slightly lower price point. You get 88 fully weighted keys with graded hammer standard action, 10 built-in voices, and the same AWM stereo sampling engine found in pricier Yamaha models. The dual headphone outputs make it perfect for teacher-student setups, and the slim, lightweight chassis means it travels well and fits in tight spaces. The sound quality is warm, detailed, and genuinely piano-like in a way that budget competitors simply can't match. For anyone who wants the Yamaha experience, the feel, the tone, the reliability, without stretching the budget, the P71 is an almost unfair advantage. It plays like it costs twice as much. The P71 is one of those deals that genuinely makes you do a double take on the price tag. Description link is right below. Check what it's going for today and lock it in. This one moves fast for a reason. If budget is your primary concern, the Donner DE-P20 deserves serious attention. Donner has built a reputation for delivering real features at prices that feel almost too good to be true. And the DE-P20 continues that tradition. It features 88 weighted keys with touch sensitivity, 238 built-in tones, 128 note polyphony, and a selection of built-in rhythms and demo songs. The included sustain pedal, music rest, and power adapter mean you're genuinely ready to play right out of the box. The key action is responsive and consistent, which matters enormously for building proper technique as a beginner. Sound quality is surprisingly satisfying for the price. Full, warm, and not the thin, plasticky tone you might expect at this price point. For parents buying a first piano for a child or adults taking their first steps into music, the DE-P20 removes every barrier to getting started. It's an honest, capable instrument. The Donner DE-P20 is the definition of a smart starter buyer. And when you see the price in the description, you'll understand why it flies off shelves. Grab the link below and check today's deal before stock runs out. Now we step into Roland territory. And the FP-10 is Roland's entry into the accessible digital piano market, and it shows exactly why Roland commands the respect it does. The standout feature is Roland's PHA 4-standard keyboard action, one of the most realistic weighted key actions in this price class. The keys have a textured ivory and ebony feel, escapement simulation, and a response that genuinely rewards expressive playing in a way cheaper keyboards simply cannot replicate. The supernatural piano modeling engine produces a piano tone that's alive and dynamic. It responds differently depending on how hard or softly you play, just like a real acoustic piano. With Bluetooth MIDI connectivity, the FP-10 integrates seamlessly with Roland's Piano Partner app for lessons, recording, and performance tools. Compact and sleek, it looks as good as it sounds. If you want the closest thing to an acoustic experience in a portable digital piano, the Roland FP-10 is the benchmark. Roland's reputation is built on feel and tone, and the FP-10 delivers both at a price that surprises people every time. Head to the description, grab the link, and check today's pricing. This one is worth every penny. Rounding out the list, the Donner DDP-80. And this one is for players who want the full furniture-style digital piano experience without the premium price tag. Unlike the other portables on this list, the DDP-80 comes as a complete package, a full 88-key weighted piano built into a sleek modern cabinet with a matching bench included. The 3-pedal unit behaves exactly like an acoustic upright, giving you full sustain and soft pedal control. With 238 built-in voices, 128 note polyphony, and a rich, full-bodied sound system built right into the cabinet, This is a piano you set up once and leave in place. It looks stunning in a living room, sounds genuinely impressive, and performs far above its price point. For anyone wanting a proper home piano setup, and something that looks like it belongs in a home and plays like it too, the Donner DDP-80 is a remarkable achievement at this price. The DDP-80 gives you the full home piano setup, cabinet, bench, 3 pedals, at a price that makes the competition nervous. Check the link in the description for today's deal and see what all the fuss is about. It's a showstopper. Quick favor before the outro. If this video just saved you time, money, or a bad purchase, hit that subscribe button. One tap and you'll never miss another Unbox Daily video. We genuinely appreciate every single one of you watching. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because it moves fast. If this helped you find the right piano, smash that like button and subscribe to Unbox Daily for honest unboxing and reviews every week. See you in the next one.